Hello everyone, welcome back today. I am going to show how repair differential fluid leak repair on 2015 Nissan xterra and also fluid exchange. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a common maintenance task that can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Tackling the differential seal repair and fluid exchange on a 2015 Nissan xterra. If you've noticed any leaks around your differential, or if it's simply time for a fluid refresh, this is a project you can absolutely handle. Keeping your differential properly lubricated and sealed is crucial for its longevity and for ensuring your xterra performs at its best. Especially if you're venturing off the beaten path. The process involves carefully removing the old, worn-out seal and replacing it with a new one. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but with the right tools and a methodical approach, it's a very achievable DIY repair. Once the seal is replaced, we'll move on to draining the old differential fluid. This fluid can break down over time, losing its lubricating properties and potentially causing increased wear. Ensuring everything is running smoothly and protected. Taking care of these maintenance items proactively is a fantastic way to extend the life of your vehicle and maintain its reliability. It's all about understanding your xterra and giving it the care it deserves. We'll then refill it with fresh, high-quality gear oil. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this guide empowers you to tackle this repair with confidence. If you found this helpful, please consider following along for more automotive tips and tricks.